here. So today, right now, I'm in Jammu, my hometown. I planned to came to Jammu by bike, but the conditions were not favorable. It's too cold out there, and presently I'm in Royal Enfield showroom in Jammu. People talk about Royal Enfield bikes are very heavy bikes. Already know about Classic, about Thunderbird, about Standard. These are heavy bikes. But Royal Enfield also have very great bike that is very good in racing, very good in engine, very good in speed, and very good in mileage. So I'm going to show you all that bike which everybody wants as a cafe racer, the Continental GT. The Royal Enfield Continental GT is the lightest, fastest, most powerful Royal Enfield till now because it has a 535cc engine, guys. This is a great engine because it is a EFI engine, dual injection engine. It gives 29.1 bhp with a 44 Nm torque. So this is a great for a rider because 44 Nm and 29.1 bhp is great for. Talking about the exhaust, this exhaust is really pretty beautiful. See the shine of this exhaust. It is really awesome and it is really wide. It doesn't look like a normal exhaust. It looks like this is a modified exhaust. So, but Royal Enfield has given a great feeling of this exhaust. The foot pegs are very comfortable. There you can see these are the brakes. So this is the kick. The lights are also great. So this is the indicators. So the company RE claims the mileage is 30 to 35 kmpl. But if you ask any customer, the mileage is 30 kmpl on the highways, but 27 to 28 in the city. So the fuel capacity is 13.5 liters. So if you're going for a long ride, almost you can take this bike around about 300 to 400 kilometers at a stretch. So this is a very great great thing for this bike. Also, as you can see the clusters. Let me start again for you. This is a pretty designed cluster of this bike. This is the speedometer. All the things are analog, and this is the trip meter. There you can see a trip meter. This is the RPM, and this is the neutral and high beam. The engine. Even having a 535cc engine, this bike does not weigh that much. You know what? Because it is a well designed bike for a sports rider. So the curb weight of this bike is 184 kg, which is very great for this bike because all the Royal Enfield bikes are more than 190 kgs. If you talk about Thunderbird, it is almost 195. If you talk about Classic, it is also 186, 87. But this bike having a 535cc engine but still having 184 kg weight. So that is a great thing for a sports bike. So this sports bike for Royal Enfield is very much in high demand. So talking about the brakes, this bike has disc brakes on both the sides, both the front tires having disc brakes and also the rear tires also having disc brakes. So this is good in city, this is good in for long road, this is good in highway also, because in city you have to apply brakes at every minute or 2 minutes. Talking about the seat, this is a single seat basically, which RE claims, and this is only for a rider. But you have the option of adding a back seat also for the pillion, and it almost costs 4,000 if you come to this showroom, and this they will give you a discount also. So you can adjust the back side also, so that will gives you great feeling of a pillion and also for a rider. So let me tell you, if you just sit on this bike, see, I'm just holding the handles and it gives you a racer feeling. So it's like this. So that's a purely a true sports bike. So people think that Royal Enfield does not does not give sports bike. This is the bike that everybody looks for. A sports tourer, a very comfortable position. So talking about the shockers of this bike, these are very great. These are shock absorbers. Basically, company name is Paoli, whatever you name can call. So it's basically Italy company. The shock absorbers are great. Thumbs up for the shock absorbers, because these shock absorbers are not in India right now. And also the tires, these are of Pirelli. I just had a test ride of this bike and it feels really awesome. I ride this bike for just almost 10 minutes or 3-4 kilometers, and it gives me a real feel of Royal Enfield bike. I was just before riding, I was thinking that whether this gives that awesome feel and thumb, but this bike proved me wrong, and this bike gave me really good feel and good feel of thumb, even a sports feel also. I'm pretty much happy that Royal Enfield is now giving the sports and cruiser and everything in a single bike, everything that a rider wants. So this bike is, I've already told you, this is a sports bike, cafe racer. I've already mentioned all the specifications of this bike. Listen that exhaust sound of this bike. So let me show you the exhaust sound of this bike. Have watched this video carefully, you might have now realized you should go for Continental GT or not. So the ex-showroom price for this bike in New Delhi is 1.99 lakhs. Who can buy this bike? If you want a bike of Royal Enfield, if you want a bike that is a sports bike, if you want a bike that is a cafe racer, if you want a bike that is very pretty designed, good ergonomics, and gives you a feel, and very reliable company. So, and also if you are having a budget of 2 lakhs, I know it's not that much cheapy, but it's good because you are getting more than 500 cc engine, so that is a very great thing. So if you want a bike comprising of all these qualities that I have mentioned, so Continental GT is for you. You can also ride this bike in city also, and for long tours it is very good bike because it's a Royal Enfield bike and you can rely on Royal Enfield. Stay tuned to my channel, and you will get all the reviews, all the traveling and everything, and you will be really, I'm sure you'll like the videos also. And if you want to give any suggestion, please comment down below. So just stay tuned, do subscribe my channel, and I'm sure you'll be loving all these videos. And please do not forget to hit the like and share button. It's goodbye from the Royal Enfield showroom. I'm presently there in Jammu basically. So it's goodbye from my side. Do take care very good of yourself. Do ride, do whatever you want. Stay safe, stay happy, stay enjoyable, and please do take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's goodbye. Take care. Thank you so much.